When you're working with large head in development, I had both. I was born 10 pounds, 6 ounces, so I know what that's like. And my son head was 14 and a half inches. And oh my gosh. And thank goodness that went back into proportions. But I will say this. So the things you want to work on, I would step it down a little bit to the tummy time. He's heavy through the diaphragm. And I think this is, again, with the head positioning. But you're seeing the head move and doing all this, but he wants to be down from like the diaphragm on versus going through the pelvis, right? And so in the tummy time course, you'll really learn how to just bring that up a bit and let him work on that weight transfer. That weight transfer kind of looks like here, right? And that weight transfer, right? That's what you're kind of looking for visualization. And that's hard for him to doing. He's doing more with the head. And so you're there with the rolling over when he's on his tummy. You're seeing actually very little movement through here. There's way too much head movement as he's looking at the objects, and you're not seeing it here. When a baby's looking at an object, the head and the pubic bone want to stay together. This area stays the same with the eyes to the nose into all of this, right? You will not see this to this to this. This is actually one of my warnings when the head separates from that. And so let him play and let him do all that. But as you're looking at the object, right, you want to tilt the pubic bone towards, right? And pubic bone towards. Hi, Irene. And then going back and forth like that versus allowing that head to move. Now, if you want to hold him and work with that, hi, sweetheart, and doing all of those, let me do this hand so the camera, and then you're just here. And again, your visual attention is you, and you're just working to synchronize that pelvis and work with that. Hi, sweetheart, and just do that kind of movement. It's a good time, too, to start bringing the feet to the, and getting a little bit of push-pull. And that's rolling over. And then also you're keeping the head up. The only problem is with that position, if he does go for the roll, he's going to get stuck around your arm. When you are working on rolling, again, naturally his tendencies for the head down, you want to be up a bit more because that's where rolling over would be with the head. And so that's what you're bringing in here. In the sitting course, one of the things he's really not doing is coming to midline. Sorry, I got a new doll, and this one's really floppy. You want that coming to midline where the arms, again, are down. And so you're getting this and this, right? But you're not seeing, here. So in independent sitting, not only you're seeing this, right? But you're seeing that little cross. So if I go to get an object, I come down, my sternum crosses midline, coming back with here, instead of, they're not just here looking, right? It's going to throw off his momentum and the crossing midline. So in those 3 videos or 4 videos, that's where I would be adding some concentration to help him with that. Thanks.